Want to reset PIN to restore end-to-end encryption code on Facebook? Then you're on right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily reset the PIN to restore. First thing first, make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Move into Settings at the very top. Wait for a while. Once you're inside the settings page, head over to Account Center. Inside the Account Center, simply move into Password and Security and head over to Security Checkup at the bottom of the screen. In this page, this interface will appear. You should see the option where it says Reset PIN. But if you couldn't find the option, then it means that you haven't set any of the PIN. But if you have the option, then simply click on it and change it. After that, you will be able to restore the end-to-end encryption Facebook code. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.